Unlock seamless two-way communication directly within GoHighLevel by integrating your Twilio phone number. First, log into your GoHighLevel account on the left sidebar, scroll down and locate the Settings option, usually near the bottom of the main navigation menu. Once in the settings, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the Phone Numbers tab. This is where you manage all communication lines for your sub account. On the Phone Numbers page, look for and click the Add Phone Number button. This action will open a new window or modal for selecting your new number. In the pop-up, you'll need to specify the country for your desired phone number. Also, select the capabilities you need, such as voice for calls, SMS for texting, and MMS for multimedia messages. After selecting your preferences, click the search button. GoHighLevel will then display a list of available Twilio phone numbers that match your criteria. Browse through the available numbers and select the one that best suits your needs. Once chosen, click the Add or Buy button to finalize the integration of this number into your GoHighLevel account. The new Twilio number will now appear in your list of active phone numbers within GoHighLevel. You can immediately begin using it for all your outbound and inbound communication needs, enhancing your client interactions. With your Twilio number seamlessly integrated, your GoHighLevel platform is now supercharged for robust communication. If this tutorial helped, please like and subscribe for more valuable tips.